Hello everyone, today's video is entitled Jump In Now, and basically that means don't worry about what your situation is, what you've been doing and what you stopped doing and what you started doing again. It's about starting where you are, right where you are. Forgive yourself, give yourself grace, empower yourself to go forward and do the thing that needs to be done. So today, if you're following the FlyLady system, which I teach, I want you to start by getting up and doing your morning routine, if it's morning. If it's not morning, if it's in the afternoon and you haven't done your morning routine, I encourage you to go make your bed, get dressed, brush your teeth, wipe out the sink, swish the toilet, brush your hair, put a little makeup on. That doesn't take long. It just takes a few minutes and you're going to feel better. Now empty your dishwasher. Make some room for those dishes that have collected in the day. Okay, start a load of laundry. That's going to help you feel better. No matter where you are in your journey, that's going to make you feel better. So jump in now, jump in today, jump in this minute. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for Monday. Start now. Don't wait till you've investigated and read everything you can possibly read, plus other people and how they did it. You're the one doing it for you. You're doing this for you. It's going to look like you did it for you, and that's right, and that's good. When you look at, I don't have anything wrong, there's nothing wrong with Pinterest. I look at Pinterest, but you have to know when you look at Pinterest that everything there is staged for you. Just like if you put something on Pinterest, you would stage it. You don't see what's going on in the background. They've hidden it with their shoulder or a piece of furniture or the angle of the camera. Okay? Everyone wants to put their best foot forward, but that's not reality. That's not the way your home is going to look or does look. And having experienced being in a home that is like that, because there are some few people that actually have a home like that, I found it to be very uncomfortable and I wasn't relaxed like I'd like to be in my own home. So in your home, it's going to be just right for you and your family. It may not be everything you want. You may need to redecorate your kitchen or get new appliances or all that stuff that costs so much money and takes so much time and you just don't have either. Then at least get it clean and get it organized and enjoy what you have. Enjoy the blessings that you have, okay? All right, so today I want you to jump in right now with both feet. You know, on the Patreon videos, I have one called Getting Back On The Wagon. You know, when we fall off the wagon, I just want you to know that everyone on this wagon is reaching out to pull you up. So jump on in, follow these videos, come to the lives from time to time, get a little inspiration, but don't wait for someone else to inspire you entirely. Inspire yourself. You're going to feel better when you get up and do some of these things. You're going to feel better. If you haven't already, please watch How to Do the FlyLady System for Newbies on this channel. Take a piece of paper, take a pencil, have an hour set aside, and really understand this program, okay? All right, so that's it. Jump in now, jump in today, don't dally. I'm gonna finish this up by saying, do you remember the first time you jumped off the high dive, if you've ever done that? Remember that? I can totally remember getting on, it wasn't even a very high dive, it was just higher than the regular diving board. Gosh, I can remember the first time I jumped off the diving board. As a matter of fact, I can remember the first time I jumped in off the side of the pool. All of those things are scary. So when you're standing there with your toes on the edge of the pool and you're getting ready to jump in, even though you know you can swim, it's scary. So this might be a little bit scary for you, but please don't be afraid. Please just jump in, because once you do, you're going to be so proud of yourself. Don't you remember the things that you've done in your life and then you learned how and you're so proud of yourself? Driving a car, riding a bike, baking a cake, anything that you've learned to do took time, and it's a lot of little steps to the mechanics of it. But when you learn to do it and you do it over and over, it gets easier and easier and you get better and better. And that's what's going to happen. So today, if you've been doing this and you stopped, jump back in. If you've never done it before, come on in. The water's fine. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope that you change your mind. I hope that you jump in. And I hope to see you soon on our live on Monday for you at-home homemakers and on Saturday for you payroll homemakers. Have a wonderful day And always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.